Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to resize images in laptop. The first thing you will do is go to the site where you have the image to see its current size. After verifying it, right-click on the image, click on Show More Options, and then from the Send to Line, select Mail Recipient. In the pop-up window you can select one of the available sizes. Check that the estimated weight will now be lower. Click on Attach. When the image is processed, your email application will open with the image attached in a smaller size. There, select the image and you can use the Control keys plus C to copy it or display its menu to check if the copy option exists. By doing so, somewhere else you can paste this image with its new size. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.